At a press conference on August 24 in the host city Changchun of northeast China's Jilin province, China revealed a group photo of 3 types of military aircraft for the upcoming 2022 Changchun Airshow: the new generation aerial refueling aircraft Y-20, the J-20 stealth fighter jet, and the J-16 fighter jet. To highlight the accomplishments of China's People's Liberation Army (PLA) Air Force over the previous 10 years, an airshow will be conducted from August 26 to 30. Chengdu Aerospace Corporation in China created the Chengdu J20, also referred to as Mighty Dragon, a single-seat, twin-jet, all-weather, stealth fighter aircraft for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. The J-20, which is a development of the J-XX program from the 1990s, is intended to be an air dominance fighter with precision strike capabilities. On January 11, 2011, the J-20 completed its first flight. It was formally unveiled at the 2016 China International Aviation and Aerospace Exhibition. The aircraft went into service in March 2017, and its phase of combat training started the same month. In February 2018, the first J-20 combat unit was established. After the F-22 and F-35, the J-20 is the third operational fifth-generation stealth fighter in the world. The Changchun J16 is a Chinese advanced fourth-generation, tandem-seat, twin-jet, multi-role attack fighter manufactured by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. It was evolved from the Changchun J11, which was derived from the Sukhoi Su-27. The People's Liberation Army Air Force is in charge of running it. A sizable military transport plane is the Changchun Y20. The project was formally initiated in 2006 and is being developed by Changchun Aircraft Industrial Corporation. The mythical bird that can fly hundreds of kilometers and is depicted in the ancient Chinese Taoist classic Zhuangzi is the inspiration for the aircraft's official codename, Kunpeng. Because of its broader fuselage than other Chinese-developed aircraft, the aircraft is more generally referred to as Chubby Girl inside the country's own aviation sector. Hope you guys love the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.